Everybody, so you guys have been working on your poster as a group. You're going to be making your own individual worksheet. I'm going to give you a lot of these things pre-made, but I'm going to show you how it's done so that you don't have to stress out about how to make each one of these things. This is already going to be printed off for you. So I've already started off. I've done 1 square unit, 2 square units, and 3 square units. Next I'm going to work on 4 square units. Over here I'm going to be drawing the rectangles. Then I'm going to be adding the addition. I'm going to be adding the multiplication. I'm going to be writing down the area. I think that's addition, multiplication, and area. You'll see that this is addition. It's just 1 square unit, 1 equals 1. Multiplication is 1 times 1 equals 1. And the area is 1 unit squared. This, not the symbol right here, means squared units. This is 2 square units. Its addition form would be 2, because there's just one row of 2. 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. And that is 2 units squared, 2 square units. This next one is 3 square units, 1, 2, 3, by 1. There's one row of 3, so 3 is equal to 3. It's pretty simple addition. The multiplication would be 3 times 1, 1 group of 3. 1 group of 3 is equal to 3. And this is 3 units squared. Alright, here we go. Let me show you guys how to do 4 square units. I'm going to be making my square units in centimeters, which is this side, that little cm right there. Okay, so I'm going to do my first rectangle. It is going to be 4 square units long. I'm going to do mine in centimeters like I said, so I'm going to make sure I start at the 0, measure over 4. I'm just going to put a tick mark here at each centimeter. Okay, I'm going to rotate my paper around sideways. I'm going to make mine 1 centimeter tall. Okay. 0 down to 1 is 1 centimeter. If you line up this line right here, nice and straight, with the bottom, you're going to make sure you get square corners, which make it look nice and even and neat. 1 square centimeter. For each one of these things. Okay. And then I'm going to line them all across on the top. Boom. Alright, here I have 4 by 1. The addition for this is 4 equals 4. 4 times 1, so that's 1 group of 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. And the square units, the area, is going to be 4 units squared. This is the shortening of units. Alright, there's one other rectangle in the 4s. Here we go. So it's a little bit more complicated. This is the first one that's different, so pay close attention. Make sure I'm getting my camera on the right thing. Alright, so another way to do 4 square units would be 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So I'm going to line this up, do the same thing. I'm going to go over 2 centimeters, tick mark here, and here, and here. I made sure to give myself extra space here because this I know is going to be 2 centimeters tall. I'm lining up my 2 centimeters right there. Make sure this is a nice straight line so everything comes in straight. Okay. Flip it over and do the same thing over here. Make sure that these lines are nice and straight. Line up the 0 there. Draw. I'm going to connect my top. Should be 2 centimeters.
Kiana Lamel, please come to the office. Kiana Lamel, please come to the office.
Straight across there. And straight across here. Oops, I went over a little bit. Not the end of the world. Alright. So this rectangle, which happens to also be a square, is 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Okay, it's going to look a little bit different. On our addition, we have one row of 2 and another row of 2. So this is actually going to be 2 plus 2. One row of 2, another row of 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Still the same thing here. This is one row of 4, this is 2 rows of 2. All right, next we're going to do multiplication, which is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Same thing, it's just another way to figure out the area of this rectangle. The area is 4 units squared. I can count that 1, 2, 3, 4. It's also still true. Next, you're going to do 5. All right, I'll do this one fairly quickly. All right, you're going to line up your ruler. I'm going to draw out 5 centimeters because it's flat. This rectangle is flat. You can look at your poster for this information. Do want you to be practicing drawing nice, neat, straight lines because we're going to use them so much in this class. So important to be able to draw nice, neat, straight lines. Practice, practice, practice. I know this seems like a lot. You're going to be drawing a lot of straight lines, and it's going to take a long time. But that's how life works. Doing something well takes practice. Make sure you're lining up your 1, and you're only going up to this 0 line right here, because you don't want to go past it. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking for really good. Go to the 0, down to the 1 centimeter. I'm going to then top it all off. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across the top, and 1 on the side. My addition would just be one row of 5, so it's just 5 is equal to 5. My multiplication would be 5 times 1 equals 5. And the number of units are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units squared. Alrighty guys, that's the basics of how to do this. I really want you to focus on being neat and taking your notes over here on the addition, multiplication, and area. Have a great day.